Alright, we got the factory reset we're going to do. I'll hold these two down just to show you, power it up. Factory resetting. Alright, factory reset. No way to really play it except... So what the problem is when you hit the snare, or anything plugged into this cable that the snare is going into, the snare cable that's going into the back of the module, into a big plug, anything plugged into this cable has this issue where when you hit the snare, sorry, let me get to the menu. Time to trigger, enter. Alright, watch. I'm gonna hit the snare. Getting all tangled up. SNR, which is the rim. Kick works. Hi-hat works. Cymbals, tom, tom 2, tom 3, ride, crash, but tom. The only thing that doesn't work is when you hit the snare, it goes to SN-R, the rim. It never goes to the actual snare that it has, because if you go up to right there and you just go over one, there's the snare, right? But the minute I hit the snare, it goes to the rim. Why? And I cannot figure it out. The cable is a stereo cable, the one that came with the module. There's no information about this online anywhere. And there's also no information about how to update the firmware on a Crimson 2, because it obviously has firmware, as you can see when you power it up. LDMB version 1.1.2. How do you update that? Alright, thanks. Why? Why won't it trigger the snare? It's supposed to. Everything else works.